In this video, I'm breaking down how to repair or patch small holes and chips in cured concrete, so your driveway, patio, or walkway looks smooth and solid again without any hassle. Alright, here's the deal. First off, you want to clean out that hole or chip super well. Get rid of all the dust, dirt, and loose bits, because if you don't, the patch won't stick right. Next, dampen the area a little with water, but don't go soaking it, just enough so the concrete doesn't suck the moisture out of your patch mix too fast. Then grab a good concrete patch product. You can find these at any home improvement store, something made for small repairs, not the big bag stuff. Mix it up exactly like the instructions say. Usually, it's just water and powder. Now, use a putty knife or trowel to press that mix firmly into the hole or chip, making sure there aren't any air bubbles trapped inside. Smooth it out so it's flush with the surface surrounding it, like you're blending it in so no one can tell it was ever damaged. Let it dry for as long as the directions recommend, usually a few hours to a day depending on the product and weather. If you want an extra smooth finish, once it's dry, you can lightly sand the patch to match the texture around it. And don't forget, sealing your concrete after it's fully cured can help prevent future chips and cracks by keeping water and wear away from the surface. One of the biggest mess-ups people make when patching concrete is not cleaning the area properly before applying the patch. If you skip that step, the patch won't bond well and will just fall apart. Another common mistake is using too much water in the mix. This weakens the patch and makes it less durable over time. Lastly, rushing the drying process, or walking on it too soon, causes cracking or crumbling, which means you gotta start all over again. Take your time with each step, and you'll get way better results. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty cool because it hooks homeowners up with trusted local contractors who know their stuff when it comes to concrete repairs or any home project. Plus, if you're a contractor looking for work, BigHomeProjects.com helps you connect with people who need your skills right in your neighborhood.